you've ever driven the roads in southern West Virginia, you can't get to anywhere without going all over hither and there, and it takes forever. And so the ability to be able to connect and tie into Virginia and everything gives us the access to Kentucky and many, many other states, and it gets people here and lets them see all the advantages that we have here. It'll bring manufacturing, tourism, all kinds of different things, and so we've got to connect southern West Virginia to the world.
When we started today, I told you, we started on this project 29 years ago. That's longer than I've been with highways. So it's just a great feeling. And this is a very important road, maybe one of the most important in the state, if not the. It's having that connector, I mean, it just opens up the world down here for these folks. This is some of the roughest terrain you could ever think of to build a road through. It's isolated. It's going to change the world for these folks down here.